The LMC silly season is here, and we're going to go over all of the major driver changes and new drivers coming into the series for 2026. Starting off with one of the biggest driver changes, Joe Murphy. After 3 years of driving the 1990 number 12 car, he is leaving to drive on the 35 car team with Mike Wyban. Joe has achieved 2 race wins and 14 top 5 finishes over the past 3 years. And what's interesting about this shift is he's moving to a car that didn't finish higher than 6th last year in 2020. Reminder, he finished 2nd in the championship last year. So this will be interesting to see if he can push a new car that high again. Another big mover for 26 is Charles White. Charles White is the 2023 LMC champion, and he won that in the 99 NB. He moved to an NC last year, and it did not go as well as he had hoped. He had 1 top 5 finish, otherwise never finished better than 7th all season. He's moving to the number 60 car with Brian Nels, and Brian is very excited about having a co-driver for the next year. Co-drivers get 2 sets of tires, 1 set per driver, and that gives more strategy choices and allows you to maintain a slightly better tire life late into the season. Late last year, Brian was definitely struggling on some of his tires, and so he's really looking forward to having a co-driver for the next year. Rachel Reiniger is leaving the 44 team and moving to the number 5 car to run with her husband Andrew. Moving into the vacant seat on the 44 team is Dave Lancaster. Dave is a very accomplished road racer coming from the Spec Racer series and SCCA, making his transition over to autocross. And he will be co-piloting the 44 car along with Dan Michaels for the 2026 season. Bobby Batico is going to be driving the number 30 car with Scott Bard. He did 2 test events late last year and learned a few things. Bobby has been driving an ND in CST, and there was definitely some learning curve that we witnessed with his transition to the NA. That said, we're really looking forward to seeing where Bobby and Scott can push that car in the 26 season.